Hey guys, welcome to this channel. As you can see, today I'm going to talk about another good service from Amazon, which is AWS Security Hub. This is acting like a hub service which uses different security tool or services and different security tool to give us a consolidated report regards to your infrastructure security findings. So Amazon has created a consolidated console for us where we can check all our findings related to the security consists toward our infrastructure. We will go through the basic concept of Amazon Security Hub. In the next video, I will show how to enable that service in AWS console. So stay tuned for this video. As I said, AWS Security Hub provides you a comprehensive view to your security state within AWS and helps you to check whether your environment is security compliant or not as per your industry standard and best practices. So, one place to review all your security related findings that Amazon Security Hub is all about. It collects the security data across AWS account. So this is something not confined to one AWS account. It collects the data from different AWS account services and supported by third-party partner product as well, which help us to analyze security trends and identify the highest priority security issue. So, for example, there are like lots of vulnerabilities in our environment related to the securities. Then, scanning our security resources or infrastructure resources within AWS with the help of Security Hub will help us to identify what are the highest or critical, medium, and low priority security issues are existing within our environment. So now, what are the benefits of the Security Hub? It reduces effort to collect and prioritize the findings. For example, let's say we have lots of different Amazon security tools, right? Like we have inspector, access analyzer. So how it reduce the effort in collection because it's one place where it using different security tools integrated with it and giving consolidated view within a one dashboard, right? And based upon that, we will be getting critical findings, medium and low priorities. So second benefit is automatically security check against best practices and standards. So this security hub follows industries based best practices in terms of the security. It covers your CIS benchmark, PCI complaint, and HIP a complaint as well. As I said, this is not limited to well account. You can use Security Hub to get your findings across different accounts within organization. So I hope this concept is clear to you as in term of the basic concept like why Security Hub introduced by AWS and what are the benefit of using Security Hub. So now this is a diagram that's how the architecture's flow happens in the Security Hub. So first of all, Security Hub quickly access your high priorities, security alerts and security posture across AWS account in one comprehensive view. Then we have combination of integrated services like guard duty, inspector, analyzer. Then we have partner solution as well. firewall manager, and messy. So again, once they scan your infrastructure, then obviously this will give you an every detail of security issue that present within your infrastructure. Then we are getting an automatic security check using this industry standard such as the EIL AWS Foundation benchmark and PCI DSS as well. And finally, based upon that, whatever we are getting, we have to take actions. Now, the remediation can be done with the help of writing a Lambda function or Python function to remediate your issue. But this security hub is not able to remediate the issue automatically. This will only going to give you findings of the potential risks that present in your environment. Okay guys, so this is all about the theory part of AWS Security Hub. We will cover the practical part in further session. So subscribe this channel and stay tuned for the further video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye and have a nice day.